Today I'm going to show you how I built a 100% free automated system that scraps LinkedIn for hidden jobs. Extract the hiring manager's email, phone number and drop them directly into the Google Sheet. As you can see in the Google Sheet, we have the hiring data like we are hiring an automation engineer and job type, remote, on-site and hybrid. Also, we have email of hiring manager, phone number, and also the apply link if available. Okay, so we are getting rich data. Also, the publisher details like author name and the author LinkedIn. I'm going to walk you through this exact workflow node by node. And if you stick around to the end, I will show you how to customize this for your specific job title, and I will give you the link to download this entire workflow template for free. So you don't even have to build it yourself. Let me show you how it works. First, we have a schedule trigger. I have set this to run every 6 hours, meaning 4 times a day. Next, it triggers our Apify node. This is how Scratch LinkedIn Apify gives you a $5 free monthly credit, which is enough to scrap up to 5,000 posts a month completely for free. We just paste our LinkedIn search URL right here. Right now, it's searching for the N10 jobs here, right? So you can customize it according to your job search. So we will discuss this later. How can you search your exact job? We don't want our Google Sheet getting spammed with the exact same job post over and over. So we pass the data through the duplication system. We generate a unique fingerprint for every post, and then we check it against an N10 data table. If the bot has seen this post before, it stops. If it's a brand new job, it pushes it to forward. This is where the magic happens, and how we keep the 100% free without using ChatGPT or any expensive AI. First, we hit the removing noise node. LinkedIn is full of influencers posting tips and like that. This node looks at the text and filter all that garbage out. Then it passes the remove job seekers. In the remove job seeker node, which automatically crashes any post that says hire me or open to work. We only want people hiring, not people looking for a job. Next, we run a custom JavaScript code that checks for hiring intent. It scans the port for our 25 specific phrases like we are hiring, send your resume, or looking for an engineer. It also converts those annoying bold and italic LinkedIn fonts into a plain text so our bot can actually read them. After that, if the intent is true, like it's a really hiring post, then it is goes forward. Otherwise, we will skip that post. After we confirm it's a real hiring post, we filter out the internship because we want real paid roles. You can see here we are removing internship, intern, and we can add like freshers if you are looking for a senior level job. Next one is the match job title. This is the most important. We came on this in the last because we can customize it according to our job search. And now that we have a clean, highly targeted job post, we need the contact info inside this enriched data node. I wrote custom regex code that scans the raw text of the post and pulls out any direct apply links, WhatsApp number, phone numbers, and most importantly, direct emails. It even detects if the job's remote, hybrid, or on site. Last two node, final output, append row in sheet. Final output, we arrange the data, and append row is simply we are add this job post in the Google Sheet. Now, as I mentioned, show you how to customize this for yourself. Right now, this workflow is looking for N10 automations roles. But what if you are a graphic designer or a React developer? It is very easy. All you do this, open this match job title node right here and replace the word. In this we are mentioning tools like you are work on Adobe Photoshop, right? You can mention here the tools name, the application you use, and the above condition you can mention the job titles people post for your job. Like in my case, they mention automation engineer, automation specialist, automation expert, automation developer, automation analyst, automation consultant, workflow engineer, workflow developer. It could be many. So you have to research that, and after that you have to paste it in this filter node. So you can get those node. And one more thing is most important node is the get post data. Here we put our LinkedIn search URL here. Like you go on the LinkedIn, let me show you. Like that, you go on LinkedIn and search with proper Boolean search. Right. I'm here searching automation expert and it contains hiring and annotate and excluding the post like intern or internship, also the open to work, right? So you can see the Boolean search string here, right? So you also can see the post here hiding annotate or automation specialist, right? So that's how it works. You can add multiple URLs in the Apify node, as you can see here. So this is this system has completely transformed my job search, and I want you to have it. I have put a link in the description below where you can download this exact Annotate workflow template 100% for free. Just import it, connect your Google Sheet, and let it run. So that's it.